Yes.
Sergeant Mangani, we were busy with distances, and we were at photo 33. You put the distance between points A and B on records, just to refresh our memories. Just put the distance again on record between points A and B.
Bathi besakhuluma ke ngodaba lama distance elikhona ke noma bomgama okhona phakathi kwesithoma saka 33 phakathi kwephuzula ka A futhi no B ukubusa nje umkhumbulo wakho onje uthize distance ingangani ke leyo.
The distance is 26.8 meters.
Athi distance ekhona ke lapho ke u26.8 meter.
And this we see on page 4 of your report, exhibit ZZ in brackets 2.
Bathi ngabe lokho khona ke ngaphakathi kwemibukiso khona phakathi kwikhasi lelo bhale khona ke imibuso ka ZZ2.
Yes.
Khasi lesine athi yebo.
Yes, the next distance.
Athi distance yesibili ke lapho
It's from B to C, which is 18.9 meters.
athi distance yesibili ke lapho ile elapha kule phuzula ka uqhamuka ku B uhamba usiya ku C to 18.9 meter.
And in which photo is this reflected?
Bathi kungabe ngaphansi kwasiphi ke isithombe
Page photo 36.
athi isithombe ses 36.
And just for the record, for record purposes, these two distances represent what, B and C?
B, it represents the gate to EMPD precinct. C is gate of Phosphorus Fire Brigade.
Athi lapho ke u B noma iphuzula ka B ukuthi isango lokungena ngaphakathi kuma office ase EMPD bese lapho ke ngaphansi kwephuzula ka C athi lapho ke isango lokungena ngaphansi kwe Phosphorus Fire Brigaders.
Yes, next distance.
Next distance is C to D.
Athi ke distance lapho distance iqhamuka ku C bese ifika ku D.
Which photo is relevant?
Bathi ngabe isithombe siphi ke leso
Just want to show photo 39.
athi ukhoma ke isithombe ses 39.
I'm still checking my
Yes,
photos.
there on the screen, you can look at the screen, photo 39. The distance between C and D.
Athi ungayibuka lapho kulesikhangiso distance khona phakathi kwephuzula ka C nephuzula ka D.
C is the entrance of fire brigade. D is pointing through the electric pole.
Athi iphuzula ka D likhombe lapho ke kule pole egesi ke khona ngalapho ke kepha ke lapha ku C athi isango longena ngaphakathi kulela sango noma kulama office ase EMPD.
Is the distance?
Athi distance yakhona
It's 13.4 meters.
athi 13.4 meters.
Yes, next distance.
D to E, which is 28.8 meters.
Athi enye lapho ke u D uma ngabuya ku E athi 28.8 meters.
And which photo is relevant here?
Photo.
Show the distance.
Photo 42, which was D and E.
Athi isithombe ses 42 le kubona khona ke lamaphuzu abamakhe khona ke lingo E bese bamakha ngo D.
Yes, next distance.
Is E to F, which is 7.8 meters.
athi enye elandelayo lapho-ke i-distance iqhamuka ku-E bese ifika ku-F athi 7.8 kwama-meters.
Yes, and which photo is relevant?
Athi ngabe yisiphi-ke isithombe esitshengisa lokho?
Photo 45.
Athi isithombe sesi-45.
Yes, we may proceed. Next distance.
Bathi ungaqhubeka futhi phambili i-distance elandelayo.
And maybe just mention every time what does E represent and what does F represent.
Bathi ngabe u-E usho ini futhi no-F ngabe usho ini?
E represent electric light pole next to the security gate. F is a security gate, or F is a security guard room. Where there is a security gate, it's a security guard room.
Athi lapho ku-E usekhona-ke leli pole elide-ke logesi elikhanyisa lapho-ke duze nale ndlu yabona ogada-ke lapho-ke. Athi futhi langala kule phuzu laka-F usuthi khona-ke indlu ekhona-ke lapho-ke eMantshingilane.
Yes, next distance.
What distance elandelayo?
F to G.
Athi u-F to G distance elandelayo lapho-ke meyikhuluma.
F security guard room. G is the road to enter Phosphorus Fire Brigade and EMPD precinct.
Athi lapho-ke kulo F iphuzu litshengisa khona-ke lapho-ke indlu ebuMantshingilane-ke kepha kungokusa lapha ku-G usuthi umgwaqo-ke lapho ungena ngaphakathi wasePhosphorus noma osePhosphorus yebo uma uhamba usalapho i-Fire Brigade futhi nalapha kula mahhovisi we-EMPD.
And the relevant photo.
Photo 48.
Bathi ithombe ngabe isithombe siphi-ke leso kade isithombe sesi-48.
Yes, next distance.
Bathi i-distance elandelayo-ke lapho?
G to B. B is a gate to EMPD precinct. G is the road to enter Phosphorus Fire Brigade and EMPD precinct.
Athi lapho-ke iphuzu elandelayo-ke lapho-ke u-G to B uma ngabe sekasho ngumaya no-B athi-ke isango lalapho ngaphakathi kulesakhiwo sase-EMPD precinct. Kepha kumabuka lapho-ke iphuzu laka-G khona-ke lapho-ke athi ku-G umgwaqo lapho kungena ePhosphorus uma ngabe uya lapho-ke Fire Brigade futhi nakumahhovisi ase-EMPD.
Yes, and the distance.
Which is 7.
Sorry, the relevant photo.
The relevant photo is 51.
Bathi isithombe-ke lapho-ke ngabe
Page
yisiphi?
51.
Athi isithombe sesi-51.
We just want to show you photo 49.
Bacela ukutshengisa isithombe sesi-49-ke lapho.
Yes.
49. It shows when the measuring wheel is at 00, like it's never moved. It's at 00.
Athi kutshengakala khona lapho i-V isondo ade belisebenzisa for ukuthatha ama-measurement lapho-ke. Athi uma sesibuka ngaphakathi kwey'nombolo zakhona-ke kubhalwa ku-0 abaningi-ke lapho kusho ukuthi lokho-ke isondo leli belingahambi kepha belimile endaweni eyodwa.
Yes. Maybe use photo 51. Sorry. Yes.
What isithombe sesi-51?
51. It shows B entrance to EMPD gate. G Breman Street.
Athi lapho-ke kule sithombe sesi-51 kutshengakala khona-ke lapho-ke isango longena ngaphakathi kumahhovisi ase-EMPD precinct. Kepha kuma usobuka ngalapho ngaphansi kwephuzu laka-G athi litshengisa khona-ke umgwaqo wase-Birman.
Yes, and the distance, just put that on record again.
It's 79.3.
athi distance ekhona ke lapho ngabe babhale lapho ke athi babhale ukuthi 79,3
No, G, between G and H.
bathi phakathi ko G no H
G,
Yes. We can, yeah, G and H.
athi ngaphansi ko G and H distance ekhona ke lapho ke
is 234.2 meters.
to 234,2 meter.
Yes, and H is, you've already placed on record what G is.
G is a road to enter fire brigade and EMPD precinct.
Yes, and H.
H is the entrance of Fort Loras Court and police station.
Okay.
bathi lapho ke ku G ngabe babhaleni athi lapho ke umgwaqo okhona ke mangabe ngena eFosforas kule fire brigade yakhona ke futhi nakuma office ase EMPD present kepha kuma sobuka la ngenzansi ke kwiphuzu la ka H ke athi isango longena ke phakathi kwenkantolo yaseFosforas futhi nesikhumulo samaphoyisa.
Yes.
H to J.
atenye ke lapho phuzu qala ku H bese fika ku J.
H is the entrance of Fort Loras Court and police station. J is court.
athi lapho ke ku H shothi indlela nomhlanje umgwaqo ongena ngaphakathi eFosforas kwinkantolo yakhona ke futhi nakwesikhumulo samaphoyisa ke athi lapho ke phuzu la ka J inkantolo.
And which photos are relevant?
J to H. H is 55.
To H isithombe ses 55.
J is photo 61.
athi ke u J ungaphansi kwesithombe saka 61.
On the next page, page 55, you mentioned that on the 17th of July 2025 at 12:48, you photographed the scene at Birman Street. Is the date correct?
The date
Oh, the date there is not correct. It's the 7th. So typing error is supposed to be the 4th.
athi lapho ke ekhona ke iphutha lenzakele ukuthi malana nalenkulumo kade beyikhuluma khona njalo ukuthi ngomnyaka 2025 bese ngenyanga yesikhombisa ke lapho ngelanga lesikhombisa ukuthi ngesikhathi sango 12:48 yena ke wahamba wathi athubula ke ithombe phakathi kwendawo noma kwindawo yaseBirman Street eFosforas EMPD precinct athi cha lapho kwenzeke iphutha ke lapho kathi ilanga leli kumele ukuthi kube ilanga lesi4 ngenyanga kaJuly.
Did you print photos of all the images that you took on the day, or are there certain images
No, they are sitting
of
images.
which you did not print photos of?
Yes, I didn't print all of them. There are some which I didn't use to compile the album.
wathi ngabe mhlawumbe ithombe lezi wathatha ngelanga lelo ke wasifaka ngaphakathi kwale mibukiso yezithombe khona ngaphambili kusenkantolo ke athi cha ezinye zezithombe lezo kakaze ke ayifake ngaphakathi kwale mibukiso ka exhibit ZZ2.
If we can turn to image 6476 on the screen, it won't be on the photo album. What does it represent?
wathi uma ungabuka isithombe lesi abasitshengisa sona kulesi khanyiso lesi wathi futhi asikho ngaphakathi kwemibukiso yezithombe ke kepha kuma ngabe ubuka isithombe lesi ngabe yini etshaka la kusona.
Objection, my lord. We don't have a photo of 6476 in the photo album that was provided. Now the witness is requested to comment on a photo that not in a photo album. We're being ambushed. From where we seated, we are expecting that each and every photo that this witness took on that day in question should be in the photo album. But if there are no photos that are not in the photo album, then we are being ambushed when this witness is being expected to comment on them. Because we might certainly have questions, we don't know how will we be phrasing those questions if they do not form part of the photo album, which photo album has already been admitted as evidence and as an exhibit before this court. That which this witness is now being expected to comment on, it's no evidence that is before court. Thank you.
As a court, please, my lord, we just wanted to put a complete picture before court. You know, all of us were there. We have seen the place. I don't know if anyone can really say that they are ambushed because we were all there, but we will not pursue the matter any further. We just wanted to show the complete picture.
So we can ignore that evidence.
Yes, those images that are not contained in the photos, we're not going to
Okay.
pursue them any further. My lord, that is all the information that this witness can place on record.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Mr. Manganyi,
Yes.
this is not a cross-examination per se, but just a clarification here and there. For starters, this was not a pointing out. This was an inspection in loco. Do you understand?
Manje isicela ukuthi ke ummeli athi ukubuza ke imibuzo kepha athi ngeke akubuza ke imibuzo kepha kulodaba ngithanda ukuthi acele akutshela lona ngogcwele futhi kabanzi ke athi lo hlelo lolu bebengayile lapha yana kuthizeni umsolo ayokhomba ke kepha kade belapha ke mayana nodaba inspection in loco.
I hear you.
Athi
Thank you.
ngiyakuzwa.
Am I correct to understand you that all the photos that are contained in this photo album that has been handed in as Fopul Z2 are photos that were taken on the same day on which this pointing out was held?
Athi ngabe ukuthola kahle ukuthi ithombe lezi esikhona ngaphakathi kwalemibukiso ka double Z2 shothi abo Fopul Z abazothi abawufoke lapho ke athi le thombe lezi ngabe bayithatha ngelanga leli kade belapho ke mayelana no double inspection in loco noma
No, they were not taken on the same day.
athi cha abakazi basathe ngelanga elilodwa ke.
Then you got to give this court explanation which photos were taken when not photographed on that day.
Athi ke lapho uzothukilekela lenkosi enkantolo futhi nabo ke njengabameli ngabe iziphi ke ithombe bangakaze bayithathe ngelanga leli le inspection in loco.
The photos which contained people on it, on the where I was supposed to photograph, they got people all over.
Yes.
I was not going to able to put the cones to mark to point where you, as my learned friend, you asked me to do, because you asked on that particular day that I must photograph what and what and what. After I came to you and asked, what must I do? Then you said you must photograph this and this and this. Then I saw that there's a lot of people for
Sorry,
the
Mr.
court to
Manganyi,
understand.
I do not intend to stop you. You
Yes.
understand? You're not forced to talk in English, you see. Look, I'm Swati by birth, you understand? But there are circumstances where I feel like, no, Lana, if I don't talk Swati, I'm just lumilimu, Lana. You understand?
I'm okay.
I don't care whatever circumstances, it can be in parliament or wherever. I simply express myself in a language that I feel comfortable in. Do you understand? That's the situation that you need to understand. You're not forced to try and explain in a language that you are a bit uncomfortable on. And I'm not stopping you. If you feel you're comfortable in English, you can proceed. But this is a court of law. That's where you need, that's the freest place on earth that you can be free on. Do you understand? So in other words, I'm trying to say to you, if you feel comfortable in expressing yourself in English and answering my question, you're welcome. But if you feel like, no, I think rather use my home language, which I understand is Sitsonga. You can free to tell the court, now I want to talk in Sitsonga and then let that be interpreted. Do you understand?
I hear you. I'm comfortable in English.
Oh, you're comfortable in English? Thank you. Then you can explain what photos that are contained in this album were not photographed on the day in which the inspection in loco was held, as per your answer.
Athi-ke ummeli umbuzo angathanda ukuthi akubuze wona ukuthi ngabe yiziphi-ke iy'thombe ngaphakathi kwale photo album ongakazi uyithathe ngelanga leli le-inspection in loco.
You can give your answer with specific reference to the photos in the photo album.
Athi uma ngabe uphendula-ke lapho-ke ungaphendula phecelezi ngokuthi usitshele ukuthi isithombe lesi nalesi nalesiya.
You can start, Mr. Mangai.
If the court can allow me to have a chance to sit down and check which photo, then I can do that.
Athi uma inkosi enkantolo ngakuphandle isikhathi esanele ukuthi ngihlale phansi ngibuke-ke ithombe lezi ngokugcwele futhi ngokujulile-ke athi ngakhona ukuthi nginilekelele-ke kulolo daba lolo.
As it is the court, my lord, that's a request from the witness. I'm in no position to say yes or no, my lord.
Let's see.
Thank you, my lord. The court says no, you can proceed to do that. You can take time and go through the photos.
Inkosi enkantolo yakuvumela ukuthi ungathatha isikhathi sakho-ke esanele futhi ukwenzela le nto ofisa ukuthi uyenzeke.
Let me check. Where is this one?
Thank you, Ms. Maganye. Are you now in a position to assist the court?
Yes, I am.
Uyabonga-ke ummeli. Uyabuza ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe sokulungele yini ukuthi uzongalekelela inkantolo athi yebo sengikulungele.
Yes, you can. This album consists of photos from photo number 1 to photo number 63, not so?
Yes.
You can answer my question by referring to the numbers of the photos. You can start.
Athi ke ithombe lezi qala kuthombe soqala ke kuze kufike kusithombe se-63 ungakhona kuthuleke inkosi enkantolo ukuthi mhlawumbe usho ukuthi isithombe lesi isithombe sesithathu nokuthombe sesi-10 nje kanjalo.
Yes.
From photo 27 to photo 27 to photo 63. They were taken when there's no people, it was clear.
Athi xa kuthombe sesi-27 kuze kufike kusithombe sokugcina-ke se-63 athi basithathele kade ngekho khona-ke abantu futhi kade cace ibhange ngesikhathi ngelanga leli kade athobela ke ithombe lezi ngaso.
When were these photos taken?
Abathatha nini ke ithombe lezi?
Would that be on the 7th, Mr. Manganye, on page number 5 of page 7, on the 7th of July 2025 at 12:48?
No, on the 5th. I took them on the 5th. I make notes for it when I go and take.
Athi ngabe ithombe lezi bathatha ngelanga lange-7 zakaJulayi ngonyaka 2025 ngo-12:38 athi cha 12:48 athi cha sinjalo-ke ithombe lezi zathathwa lapho ngelanga lange-5 ngenyanga kaJulayi ngonyaka 2025 athi njalo uma senza umsebenzi wakhe-ke na uvame ukuthi abhale phansi-ke ama-notes.
Thank you. When you went to the scene to take these photos, who accompanied you?
Wathi ngesikhathi kade uya lapho kule nesigameko ukuthi athe ithombe zingabe ngubani umuntu oda kuphilekeza.
I went to Vosloorus police station and asked for escort, and I was given warrant officer Ndlovu to be with me when I was doing all this.
Athi wahamba waya kwisikhumulo samaphoyisa sase-Vosloorus wacela ukuthi atholeke usizo mhlawumbe abantu abazomlekelela-ke lapho-ke athi ngesikhathi lapho ngaphansi kwesikhumulo sase-Vosloorus police station bamnika-ke lapho-ke mhlawumbe baphelekezwa-ke lapho-ke warrant officer Ndlovu.
Thank you. Would then this explanation explain the reason why none of the photos that are compiled in this photo album indicate Brigadier Gininda showing the place where he pointed out to be the place where he parked his vehicle at the Vosloorus police station?
Bathi ngabe isathu leso ukuthi if ithombe lezi ezikhonakala ngaphansi kwembuthiza akukho la kuvela khona uBrigadier Gininda akutshengisa la kade amise khona ke imoto yakhe phambi kwesikhumulo samaphoyisa sase-Vosloorus.
Not so.
Brigadier Gininda, I don't know him, he didn't point, and no one came to me to say I'm Brigadier Gininda pointing somewhere.
Athi uBrigadier Gininda akamazi futhi akunamuntu ozeke yena-ke wazazisa njengokuthi yena-ke uBrigadier Gininda futhi amsiza kuthizeni kuyakhombe kuphi nakuphi.
Yeah, no, Brigadier Gininda was there on the 4th. He's the one who took us to the police station with the court. When I say the court, it means everybody that was there. The court, the security personnel, the court, the security personnel, the prosecution, the defense, and the accused. Yeah, they were there. So he pointed certain points at the police station. Or he showed certain points at the police station. But in your photo album, that information is not there. Would then explain, that is explained by the fact that these photos, these other photos were not photos that were photographed on the day on which this pointing out was held, not so?
But ngelanga lange-4 kunyaka kaNtulukazi kunyaka sikuwona-ke ukhumbule khona njalo ukuthi inkosi enkantolo abameli team labashushisi futhi nabasolwa-ke futhi nabantu kade bekhona baphelekeza-ke inkantolo yonkana begadile lapho thizeni kube nokuphepha-ke kade bekhona-ke ngelanga lange-4 lapho-ke ngesikhathi sathe ubaba uBrigadier Gininda bekenza lezi zinto lezi ade azenza mhlawumbe lokukhomba kade akwenza-ke ngelanga lange-4 etshengisa bona-ke mayelana nodaba lamaphuzu athizeni ngelanga leli athi yena-ke kade akhona-ke ahlangane nomsola wokuqala lapho-ke ngaphambi kwesikhumulo samaphoyisa sase-Vosloorus. Bathi manje ngabe lokho kusho khona-ke sasokuthi kungakho yena-ke engavelile kule ithombe lezi wona owathatha ngelanga lelanga lela nge-4.
All the photos I took on the 4th some of them I put in the photos. There is nowhere Brigadier Gininda is pointing to me. I don't recall him pointing to me.
Sorry, for progress sake. Gininda was in camouflage uniform. Even I couldn't recognize him at first. And when I had to speak to him, he had to take off his mask. But he was there. I've made my notes, which I'll read into the record.
Inkosi enkantolo yasho ukuthi yaxolisa ke lapho ke singamoshiki isikhathi esinye futhi athi uba uBrigadier Gininda noma umnumzana uBrigadier Gininda kathi akhona ke lapho ke futhi egqoke ingubo zegaza zami abayibiza ukuthi camouflage athi inkosi enkantolo bekangazi ukuthi uyena ke lo muntu leyo uBrigadier Gininda waze wafuna isikhathi ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda akhiphe ke imask yakhe bese kulambone khona ukuthi uyena ke futhi athi inkosi enkantolo inama notes ewabhalile phansi ukuthi wafunde.
So let me put it this way. It is immaterial whether you know or you knew Brigadier Gininda or not. But there's a person when we were at the police station, the same person that is described by the court, who was wearing a camouflaged uniform and a mask on his face. He pointed certain points there at the police station. Those photos, you did not take photos with regard to those points which he pointed out.
Athi khona ke uBrigadier Gininda bekakhona ngelanga leli inspection lokho futhi egqoke ke ingubo zesiphoyisa ze-camouflage ke athi lapho ke kusikhumulo samaphoyisa noma lapho esikhumulo sezesiphoyisa ke khona la kade akhomba khona ke kepha wena azikho ithombe uthathile manje odabalulo kade alikhomba lapho ke akusenjalo.
I didn't take photos for where someone didn't point to me. I took photos where I was pointed to.
Athi akaza athathe ithombe la kade bengamtshengisi khona ke kepha athathe ithombe la kade atshengiswa khona ke umuntu.
Or in other words, your explanation is, at the first scene, you were requested to take photos because there was a request, but when you went to the police station, nobody requested you to take photos.
Yes, I was told to take photos at the first place. At the second place, no one said take photos of specific. Yeah, I just took for the building because I was told to take for that surrounding and I took.
Okay.
Athi lapho ke indawo yokuqala wathatha ke ithombe ngoba kade ajile ukuthi kumele ukuthi athubuleke ithombe lapho ke athi kepha ke malana nephuzu lodaba lwesibili malana nodaba lwendawo yesibili ke lapho ke athi akunalabo abantu bamtshela khona ukuthi kumele ukuthi athubuleke ithombe zale ndawo malana phecelezi nezinto lezi kade beyitshengiswa nokho kade zikhonjwa ke lapho ke athi kepha wathatha ke lapho ke ithombe salabhilide lonkana.
Thank you. That is an innocent explanation. I understand it. But now, who then gave you the instruction to go back on the 5th to go take photos of the police station and make and put some coins there?
Uyabonga ke umeli ke phathi umbuzo ukuthi ngabe ubani adacelile ukuthi ze uhambe ngelanga la nge5 iye lapha yana uthathe ke ithombe ngaphambi kokuthi uqale uthathe ithombe ngelanga la nge5 bese wabeka kama cones ke lapho ke.
As a trained member of the SAPS who deal with this on a daily basis, when we were there, I was asked by you, you said the distance from where the alleged suspect pointed or was sitting to the gate, and then we were talking about even the lights, that the distance is to. Then I took that as you asked. You are the one who asked me that. Then I followed your lead. I did that. That's why how I compiled the album.
Athi njengomsebenzi ozesiphoyisa ke futhi njengomuntu onesipiliyoni seminyaka malana nalomkhakha asebenza kona kuzesiphoyisa ke athi lapho kade acela ke umele ukuthi ke athathe ke ithombe zezinto ezikhethekile ke lapho ke leza kade umeli kade amtshengisa zona ke futhi umeli wabuya washo ke nathi umeli athathe athwebule futhi ke ithombe zalama electric light shothi lama light akukhanyisa lapha ngaphandle ke ugesi athi yona ke into wayenza leyo ke.
I mean, I never said you must come the distance. But nonetheless, let's proceed. My question is, because on the 4th, you did not take pictures of the scene where Brigadier Gininda pointed out at the police station, who then gave you instructions to go back on the 5th police station to put some cones and take photos, which you then compiled in this photo album?
Athi-ke umele ngabe ubani-ke wena okuvumele ukuthi ilanga lange-5 uhambe lapho-ke police station uyothatha uthubuleke iy'thombe-ke bese ngaphambi kokuthi uthubule iy'thombe ngelanga lange-5 uqala ubeke amakhozi-ke lapho-ke kepha ungayithathile iy'thombe ngelanga lange-4 ngesikhathi lesi kade bonkana belapho-ke police station.
When I'm doing my job, I want to do it thoroughly. I knew for the court to understand how the place is. It's clicked to me, or I saw it fit to go there when there's no one, when it's clear, so that I show the court how the place is. That's how I come to the conclusion to go and take the photos.
Athi-ke ufakazi uma enza kumsebenzi wakhe uyawenza futhi ngokuyikhandla-ke lapho-ke futhi nangokujulile-ke thina-ke wabona ukuthi kuyinto efanele ukuthi abuyele-ke lapho-ke uma ngabe buye lapho-ke bese abeka amakhonzi-ke lapho-ke ekuthizeni adwebe isithombe adwebele inkosi yenkantolo isithombe sokuthi ngabe mhlawumbe ibanga likhona phakathi kwendawo yokuqala kuyefinqe kwindawo yesibili ngabe kade mhlawumbe kwi-distance engangani-ke leyo.
That I understand. My question is, because nobody told you on the 4th to take the pictures at the second scene, why did you then go back to the second scene to take pictures of the cones which you placed there when nobody told you on the 4th to take pictures of that scene?
Athi-ke uyakuzwa ukuthi wena uthize kuqala ngelanga lange-4 ngesikhathi unifika kwindawo yesibili-ke esigameko abakaze basho ukuthi kumele ukuthi uthubuleke iy'thombe-ke lapho-ke manje umbuzo kuwukuthi ngabe ubani ocelile futhi ukuthi hamba ngelanga elilandelayo uye lapho-ke bese mafika lapho kubeka ama-cones qeda lapho bese after maqeda ubeka ama-cones bese uyaqala-ke uthubuleke iy'thombe ubani owakutshela ukuthi hamba laphayana ngelanga lange-5 uyothatha-ke iy'thombe?
On the 4th, Advocate Baloyi, Advocate Minisi, said to me, I can take photos of where it's being pointed. So to me, it told me that I must take photos of where the court was going. So I took photos of where the court was going. Then even on the 5th, when I went back, I took photos of where I went and took photos on the 4th.